This video demonstrates how to clone a bill of materials. Cloning is a time-saving feature, allowing you to replicate a BOM or a specific section, instead of creating a new one from scratch when the required settings are the same or only minor modifications are needed. Part 1. How to clone an entire bill of materials. To begin, select Bill of Materials, and then click on Add or Maintain BOM. From the BOM maintenance screen, click Add to generate a new bill of materials. Next, select Clone from the toolbar at the top of the screen. Click Yes to continue on the pop-up message. Choose the BOM you wish to duplicate, then click on Select. The system will pull through all the information from the clone bill of materials. You can then edit or add any details as required. Remember to give the BOM a unique code and description. When it is configured correctly, click the Save and Exit button. Part 2. Here is how to clone only a part of a bill of materials. Open the relevant section you wish to clone. In the Tools menu, where available within the section, select the Clone option. This function specifically clones the current section only, not the entire BOM. Select the source bill of materials from which you want to copy the work centers, and then click Select. The work centers will be imported into the current BOM. Review and update any necessary changes before saving. That concludes our guide on cloning bill of materials. Use the Clone Bill of Materials feature when you need to replicate the entire setup. Use Tools, Clone when you only need to copy a partial BOM. For any further assistance, please contact our support team at info@xperdyte.co.za. Thank you for watching.